So, Māori word of the day, oh, if I do not lose taku ngati, is moari. Moari is this. E nei nā noiho, kei te moari haere te tangata. Hei aha, hei miharo mai ia no. Oh, shit. Kia ora mai tātou, behind me we have Te Whanganui-a-Tara, Tara's big harbour. Whanga, bay or harbour, Tara, the guy who found it, and Nui, meaning big. And as you can see, it's a pretty big Whanganui, if you know what I mean. Kia ora mai tātou e te iwi, kei muri mai a hau, he waka hourua, ara he waka whakatere moana. Behind me is a double hull waka canoe, yeah, pretty cool. So kupu hau te rā, waka hourua, well actually waka hourua. We sort of lost the waka sound and we changed it to a waka. But to these people in Fiji, he waka, kia mātou o Aotearoa, he waka.
We left Fiji on August and we sailed down to Bougainville via Vanuatu. So we took us 3 days from Fiji to Port Vila and 9 days from Port Vila to Bougainville. We picked the cocoa up from Bougainville and transporting the cocoa to the Wellington chocolate factory. So on our way down we stopped in Honiara before we left Honiara 1 month ago. Took us 29 days to get to Taranaki. So from Taranaki to Mana Marina in Porirua and then Porirua to Wellington. So here we are in Wellington. It's great to be in Wellington. It's my first time here. But I mean, yeah, the weather here is too cold. But
that was absolutely cool. Hanging out on a waka hourua, chatting up with, you know, a navigator, you know, that type of stuff you don't get to happen very often. So ngā mihi nui rawatu ki te tīma, ki te kapa, e whakatere ana i te moana ki te ahu atu mai konei, ka haere rātou ki ahuriri, a muni ake mai tērā, ka puta no atu rātou ki roto o tāmaki. Whaia e koe te iti kahurangi, ki te tūohu koe me he maunga teitei. Kupu Māori o te rā goes like this. There's a few today. You've got he pōtai, he hei, me ngā krapu. You can use them like this. Ki te mau a Kawe, I tōna pōtai, I tāna hei, me ōna krapu. Mo te take, he maike I te rangi nei. Kawe is wearing a hat, scarf and gloves because it's a cold day. Now, when you get new taonga, the best thing to do is to have a karakia for them. And that just gets them ready for the journey they're having with you and to make sure all the awesome stuff that you're about goes into them. So I'll just give you an example of how I do my karakia for this one. This is a kuru pounamu that I just got in the mail today, and it's a wonderful piece. Titiro mai. It's got a hole over there at the top so I can put the silver, sterling silver loopy thing in so I can suspend from my ear. But in the old days, the old people used to use muka to put it through the ears, ribbon, basically anything you could get your hands on so it would fit through your ear. I would hate to think of how they used to pierce each other's ears back in the day. Anyway, back to our karakia. Step 1. Tuku ngā wai a Tangaroa kia rere. Let the waters of Tangaroa fly. Ko tāne koe, ko tāne whakapiripiri, ko tāne I te wai ora. Tū tāne mātika marang. Whanno, whanno, ara mai te tōki, haungi e hui e, tai ki e. Nā, kua ea. And that's it. Mehe mehe ariki koe, koe nei tāhua tau e nai ni mā. Eish. Te kupu Māori o te rangi ko Pōneke. Māori word of the day is Pōneke. Pōneke is a transliteration of the English word Port Nicholson, which everyone now refers to as Wellington. But originally Pōneke, Port Nicholson. That's what it really means. Kia ora mai tātou.